My name is Nikki Holloway, and today I want to talk to you about global warming. Do you know what global warming is, and do you know how you can make a difference? Because we are all concerned about our environment and the effects of global warming is having on our environment, we should all be willing to do whatever we can to help improve our planet's future. The reason why I chose this topic is I am currently enrolled as a student in the Health, Safety, Environmental Technology course, and I also work for a company that has dedicated a lot of time and effort in reducing their greenhouse gas emissions from 117 tons to 15 tons. And you can receive or get this information from the Green Cordova website. Today I'm going to try to convince you that you can help save our environment. Today I'll be talking about what global warming is and what causes it and what you can do to help. What is global warming? Global warming is the environment. As we know it, it is slowly but very surely increasing in overall air and water temperature. And the promise that whatever is causing the trend, if it's not interrupted or challenged, life on Earth the way we know it will definitely be affected. This definition I obtained from the globalwarming.com. You can see by this chart that I have right here that the human activities that affect our greenhouse gas emissions and global warming. And you can see that by this chart, the two major ones are energy use and refrigeration and air conditioning. I will give you some ideas later on how you can help reduce those. What is the cause of global warming? From the 8th edition of the Environmental Science textbook by Daniel Cheris, the following are the four major greenhouse gases. The fluorocarbons, which is created from foam, aerosols, refrigerants, and solvent. Nitrous oxide, which is fossil fuels, fertilizers, and deforestation, which is the illegal logging. Methane, which is created from wetlands, rice, fossil fuels, and livestock. And carbon dioxide, which is created from coal, oil, natural gas, and also from deforestation. These gases radiate the heat back to the earth, causing the temperature to rise. What are some of the effects of global warming? The first effect is that ice caps are starting to melt, which will also cause the water levels to increase. With the sea levels increasing, we will see the saltwater intrusion into our freshwater supplies. We'll see flooding across the land, which would make us lose land. You'd see islands that would disappear. You'll see actual states disappear from different countries, and our desert lands will expand. We will lose crops. It will dry up. The ground would be accelerated in erosion, which means that we'll lose land to live on. We'll see an increase in severe weather, which would be like Superstorm Sandy, the hurricanes, and this is in direct correlation with the water temperature being warmer. The ways you can reduce global warming: you can conserve energy by buying Energy Star appliances. You can shut off phantom energy sources, which would be your DVD players, your CD players, your Xboxes, your PlayStations when you're gone. You can also use a power strip and have those items plugged into there and just turn your power strip off. Shut off the water when you're brushing your teeth. You can use the compact fluorescent light bulbs. I actually have some here. I bought a 6-pack today from Walmart for $3.88. And as you can see, these have the Energy Star rating, and they actually consume less energy. And you can turn off the lights when you leave the room for longer than 30 seconds, and you can weatherize your home. You can adjust your thermostat, lower the temperature in the wintertime, and increase the temperature in the summertime. You can also switch to renewable energy sources like solar energy, geothermal energy, and wind. You can plant trees. The trees use the carbon dioxide and turn it into usable oxygen for us. So the more trees on the planet, the more oxygen we are creating. We can reduce our emissions by buying fuel-efficient cars and driving them, recycling, carpooling, riding buses, riding bicycles, walking, and buying grain products. In conclusion, today I've just talked to you about the need to save our environment and the important role each of us plays and the reduction of global warming. NASA predicts that by the end of this century, the Earth's temperature will increase from 3 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's all do our part in saving the Earth for future generations. We just need to make a simple lifestyle change. Thank you.
Very good. You don't have a question?